Unfortunately, we're here with Vincent at Tribe in Berlin, and he's a major influencer on cannabis. How has it been with legalization, and how has it been with you finding your way within the cannabis space?
Yeah, for the first question, it was crazy. We have been fighting for people decades longer than me, but I'm showing face nearly a decade, and I started without any glimmer of a legalization at the horizon, and it was a hard fight, and now the society is relieving, really. You see how the culture was all the time there, and now it's just popping.
It's exploded.
Yeah, it's crazy. And we see it here. The home growers bring their stuff to the table, they extract, they share knowledge, they invest in their home grow setup. The Germans are a little bit crazy.
Listen, it's one of the things I love most about the cannabis space is when people put their hard work and love into a plant and they come to events like this and they get to share it. You know, that's one of the most beautiful things about cannabis.
The best. The beautiful thing about the cannabis culture is that the people bring the best. They save it for occasions like that, and they don't bring the mediocre.
No.
They really bring the best rosin, the best flowers. They want to share experience because experience to share is something. It creates something bigger.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
It's you know, the reason why we do the show Growing Exposed, right, is to highlight different grow techniques and give really good information to cultivators.
And I have to say, I'm definitely also inspired by your work. Like I showed you, I'm following you. I'm doing YouTube now like 7 years, 8 years. We have been watching the whole time what is going on in Canada and the States. And it's crazy to live this life and educate people and to multiply knowledge, which is not mine. I got it from other teachers, but it's the most beautiful work you can imagine.
Amazing. Keep up the beautiful work. It's a real pleasure to meet you. Thank you for having us at your event.
Enjoy Berlin. It's beautiful. It welcomes everybody. Come to Berlin.
The city is amazing. Thank you.